today I am doing some candle making using a kit that I got, I think, last birthday. This one. And because you can use essential oils in it to scent it, I thought I would teach you how to make it. So if you enjoy this tutorial, I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. So here to a stainless steel pot, which was like that part of the kit, and you can heat this. I've got an induction hob and it worked perfectly well last time, so that's one I'm going to use again. So I just put it up to 3 because it's starting to melt a bit, but it is being very slow, and it didn't specify the heat, it just said low, so the heating goes up to 9, so I'm going to use 3 as that's relatively low. So this particular kit, you get a sticker and the core things for the wick. So you put the sticker on the bottom and then you stick it in the middle of this. So I'll just do that now. And there, I've done one here already, but you put this over, I'll try to do it one-handed. And you just rest it like there to keep the core central. Okay, so it's now fully melted, so I'm going to take the heat off and then add the essential oils. Guessing, based on when I make soaps, how much drops put in, because the kit doesn't actually say, it just says you can use them, so I'm going to guess 30 drops. 2 containers. Waiting for the wax to melt, I'll just go through what the essential oil is I'm using, which is going to be ginger. So ginger can soothe and reduce feelings of stress, sadness, anxiety, lethargy, agitation, dizziness and fatigue. And when used topically, it soothes redness, eliminates bacteria, inhibits the sign of skin damage and ageing, and restores colour and radiance to a dull complexion. So if you want to use this on your skin, obviously use it. Some other tutorials I've done for different skin products, so if you want to use one of those, or if you just add it to some sort of body oil or whatever beauty product you use. Self-abuse, and Molly's wanting to join me, so I'll just put this down now. Actually, I want to say hello to Molly. This is Molly. She's a Dachshund. She is over 2.5 years old, and she was a rescue from Dogs Trust because she was brought into the country illegally. So, and she's a cutie pie, aren't you, Molly? You're a cutie pie. Yes, you are. Finished product.